comes to study guide from this time we're going to study said the question we have here said the ice and steam points on a thermometer are found to be 96 millimeter apart. What temperature is recorded when the length of the mercury thread is 33.6 millimeter above the ice point mark? So, and let's look at this. We have a thermometer. So this day, the ice point is then 0 millimeter, while the upper limit is millimeter, 96 millimeter. And now the mercury thread reaches 33.6 millimeter. Now comparing with the thermometer in degrees Celsius, it says 0 degrees Celsius, and then we'll have 100 degrees Celsius. So in this case, if we are comparing, you find out that this place we can say is what x degree base we're looking for. We're looking for this one now. So if in the comparison, we can say that x degree x minus 0 over 100 minus 0 equal to 33.6 minus 0 over 96 minus 0. If we minus it, what we have will be x over 3 equal to cross multiplying x will then be 100 over dividing it, you have, so the temperature will be 35 degrees Celsius. Thank you so much, and make sure you enjoy the video. Thank you so much.